What's up, everybody? It's been an amazing week, and we're gonna show you what's coming up next, what the team has been working on, and is this female character, this wizard here. It's a wizard. It's gonna have like powers, BFX. She's gonna fly, and I think it's a very interesting project, and people are gonna like it. They're gonna like it a lot, and there's still a lot of work to do, and the intention of this video is just to share the process we go through creating this these packages for you so you can use them. You can also take a look at how they're made. Just give us some suggestions of what things you want. So we're working on this character. It's composed of several materials. Keep in mind this is still work in progress. Nothing is final yet. It's a wizard. You can see like you have like this cloth here, and this cloth will be animated. It's kind of a sexy character. This is a very common thing for wizard characters. Female characters are very sexy. So we are going to that direction. And so far this is the process. Still, let's take a look at this one. This is our substance painter file. This is where I have been painting the character here. Let's take a look at you have the accessories. You can see I'll go through by one. Have all these things here. You can see how these things are divided into different materials. The body, the coat, the dress. Uh, I think the people are gonna like the dress a lot. Have a lot of interesting patterns, a lot of interesting shapes. The eyes, we're gonna do something very nice later. And then you have the forearm. The forearm is a very interesting part. We're gonna take a look at it later. It has this opacity. You can see transparency on it, and inside Unreal you can also check it. And a slice here. Keep in mind this is all work in progress. And a helmet, cold helmet. So if you take a look at all of it as a whole, you can see how this cloth is transparent, and you have all these different elements interacting with each other. Well, let's take a look at Unreal. For Unreal, we have set up a very simple setup. Let's take a look at the materials here, and you can see you're having one material for each one of them, and it's very simple actually. We're keeping it simple for now. We're gonna have the base materials, which is what you see here, and later on we're gonna have the modular pieces where we're going to modify the master material, where you can change the color, the roughness, and a lot of different things, so you can create a different model with different patterns. So in this version it's not modular yet. That's the next thing the team is gonna work on, but I think this one is a very interesting one. You can see here in the cloth here you have transparency here, and you still have the normal map. If you see clearly here, you still have the normal map. You can see it, and you have some parts that are not really transparent. So I think this is a really nice touch. And the way we do it is you go here